Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of a 2026 Koenigsegg premium motorhome offers an intriguing fusion of the worlds of luxurious leisure vehicles and high-performance car expertise. Understanding Koenigsegg's fundamental principles, unwavering performance, cutting-edge materials, and custom craftsmanship, applied to the unique needs of a luxury RV is necessary to envision such a creation. This imagined motorhome's external design would probably differ greatly from the aesthetics of traditional RVs. One can expect a low-slung, aerodynamically tuned profile, possibly with active aerodynamic components to improve stability at higher speeds, as an homage to Koenigsegg's performance DNA and inspiration from the hypercar lineage. In order to reduce the inherent weight of a motorhome while maintaining structural rigidity and possibly increasing fuel efficiency in comparison to traditional vehicles of this size, it would be crucial to employ lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber, which is a hallmark of Koenigsegg's engineering. One of the main areas of improvement for a 2026 Koenigsegg premium motorhome would surely be the power plant. It is possible to imagine a hybrid system, maybe utilizing Koenigsegg's experience with high-output internal combustion engines combined with electric motors, even though the exact setup is still up in the air. This might provide a combination of strong power for smooth cruising and, in some cases, the ability to run entirely on electricity. In contrast to the traditionally practical handling qualities of motorhomes, the chassis and suspension systems would be designed to offer a dynamic yet elegant driving experience. To guarantee outstanding ride quality and safe handling on a variety of road surfaces, advanced active damping and complex stability control technologies would probably be combined. This Koenigsegg motorhome's inside would be a custom luxury exercise. Imagine a finely designed living area that makes use of the best materials, such as exotic woods, soft leathers, and maybe even accents of custom-machined metal. Functionality and visual elegance would be given first priority in the concept, which would include well-integrated, high-end equipment, a well-planned living space, and sleeping chambers that mimic the comfort and sophistication of private aircraft or luxury boats. A cutting-edge infotainment system, intelligent climate control, and possibly even augmented reality interfaces would all be smoothly integrated with other cutting-edge technology. Considering Koenigsegg's emphasis on rarity and customization, every 2026 premium motorhome would probably be a completely custom design, made to the owner's specifications. This could include the choice of materials, the design of the living area, and the incorporation of particular facilities. To sum up, a 2026 Koenigsegg premium motorhome is an intriguing, if speculative, combination of extreme luxury and hypercar performance in a recreational vehicle design. A sophisticated customer looking for the extraordinary in all facets of their lives, including their trips, would find it intriguing as it would exemplify the brand's dedication to pushing boundaries by combining state-of-the-art technology and unmatched workmanship to offer a motorhome experience unlike any other.